Good morning. Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Wednesday. You got it. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. You got it. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Super. And what month are we in? We're in the month of October. Super good. Okay, let's read the date together. Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Super good. And how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. You got it. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? Dance with me. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do they have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. Very good. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face, just like this here. Do you see the little happy face on the top of the A? So that makes it say, ah, apple. Elephant. What does the elephant say? Inchworm. Ostrich. Umbrella. Wow, super good looking. Okay, let's review all the letters that we've learned so far. Here we go. Let's do the vowels first. The name of this letter is A. It makes a sound ah, as in apple. A says ah. The name of this letter, whoopsie-daisy. What happened to my E? Oh, there you go. Sorry, I had it backwards. No worries. The name of this letter is E. It makes a sound eh, as in elephant. E says eh. The name of this letter is I. It makes the sound I, as in inchworm. I says I. Super good. The name of this letter is O. It makes the sound aw, as in ostrich. O says ah. Good job. The name of this letter is U. It makes the sound ah, as in umbrella. U says ah. Super, those are our vowels that we've learned. Now let's see the consonants that we've learned so far. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says B. The name of this letter is C. It makes the sound K, as in cat. C says K. The name of this letter is D. It makes the sound D, as in dog. D says D. The name of this letter is G. It makes the sound G, as in goat. G says G. So when I ask you for the sound, you have to say, for example, here, ha. The name of this letter is H, it makes the sound as in horse. H says, it's really important to know the names and the sounds, okay? The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is M. It makes a sound as in milk. M says The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S, as in sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. Super! Those were our consonants. Okay. Now, yesterday we learned a new consonant. Do you remember? The name of this letter is R. It makes a sound R, as in ring. R says R, R, R. Good. Now we're going to learn a blend. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Rosie Rabbit. Let's say the blend together. Ra, 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 re, re, ra. And with blends, we can make words. Okay, what if we hold up the letter T? Rat, rat, rat. Did you read it with me? Let's make another word. You guys can do it. Red. 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 Wow! Wow. Okay. Here's another one. Are you ready? Here we go. We're good. Peekaboo! Rosie Rabbit says peekaboo. Okay. Red. Rim. The rim is like the edge. And the last one, we're going to do it down here. Okay? Here we go. We're going to make another word. Rug. Rug. What does it say? Rug. Wow, you guys are amazing readers. Did you see how you can make words with blends by just adding another letter? Okay, now I want you to go get your mobile alphabet. Let me show you what you need to go get. We're going to get the letter R, the lowercase r, and we're going to get all the lowercase vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? And guess who I brought today to help us? Mr. Lime. Okay? Mr. Lime. Superty duperty do. But you know what? I'm going to make another video because I'm running out of space. So there's going to be a part 2. Okay? So let me erase something.